Bored of takeout? Time to spice up your week with 3 simple, healthy recipes. We all have those days when cooking feels like a chore. But guess what? Healthy eating doesn't have to be hard. Before we continue, comment, share, and subscribe. Here's the secret to eating healthy all week without the hassle. First, prep your veggies. Wash, cut, and store sturdy ones like carrots, broccoli, and bell peppers. They'll stay fresh for days, ready to toss into any meal. Next, build a sauce library. Think dressings, marinades, and quick sauces. Having these on hand makes any dish more exciting. Now, onto our star recipes. 1. Quinoa veggie bowl. Just toss prepped veggies with cooked quinoa and your favorite dressing. 2. Chickpea salad. Mix chickpeas with chopped veggies, a bit of feta, and a zesty vinaigrette. 3. Stir-fry delight. Sauté your prepped veggies with tofu or chicken, and finish with a tangy stir-fry sauce. Say goodbye to takeout blues and hello to a healthier, happier week. You got this! This video is for informational purposes only. Comment, share, and subscribe to Top Trending Health News Scoop to see more videos like this. Until next time.